This is the AI News Flash for April 28th, 11 a.m. UTC. First up, Citigroup has lifted its AI market view to over $4 trillion, citing accelerating enterprise adoption. Reuters reported on April 28th. The upward revision reflects a major shift in expectations, aligning with hyperscaler capex exceeding $650 billion. Citi analysts cite surging demand across AI infrastructure, software, and enterprise services, with finance, healthcare, and manufacturing driving production deployment. The figure overturns prior productivity paradox arguments and forces a fundamental re-rating of AI-related equities. Investor focus shifts to concrete ROI evidence. Second story, Microsoft researchers have published a list of the 40 jobs most exposed to AI, and even teachers made the list. Fortune reported on April 28th. The empirical study analyzed over 200,000 Copilot conversations to map task overlap with AI capabilities. Interpreters, translators, historians, journalists, and customer service representatives ranked highest. Teachers, writers, and editors face larger impact than expected. Physical labor and hands-on medical roles remain insulated, highlighting accelerating bifurcation within knowledge work. The labor market reshaping is becoming concrete. Third story. Big tech AI capex is on track to hit $600 billion, and this week's earnings will test whether investors see return. Reuters reported on April 28th. Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, and Amazon all report this week, with AI infrastructure monetization the central focus.
Spending jumped 46% from $410 billion last year, raising concerns about free cash flow pressure. Cloud growth and gross margins are the key ROI signals.
Gartner projects the AI agent market reaching $450 billion by 2030, but extending payback periods are surfacing as a credit market risk factor. Fourth story, Eli Lilly has partnered with AI startup Profluent to develop next-generation gene editing technology. Stat News reported on April 28th. The deal leverages AI-designed CRISPR enzymes to deliver precision genome editing beyond what conventional methods can achieve. Profluent uses LLM-like architectures for protein design and drew attention with its proprietary OpenCRISPR series of editors. Following Johnson & Johnson's earlier AI drug discovery deal, Big Pharma's AI investment is expanding into gene therapy. The $25 billion AI drug discovery market forecast for 2030 looks increasingly plausible. The fifth story, China's cyberspace administration has warned ByteDance apps and websites over inadequate labeling of AI-generated content. Reuters reported on April 28th, targets include Douyin, the domestic version of TikTok, with potential violations of mandatory generative AI content disclosure rules effective March. China leads the world in mandating transparency labels on AI outputs at the national level, ahead of U.S. state laws and the EU AI Act framework. Concerns over deepfake misinformation are driving aggressive enforcement on major platforms, with China-led AI regulation accelerating as a global trend. That's all for this AI News Flash.